What is that?
What is it?
Oh.
They're socks.
Well, don't pull.
Don't
We'll
pull
have to
them.
get scissors.
They're socks.
Oh.
I want fuzzy socks.
They
Like
match your
Oh.
robe.
Excuse me. I'm gonna
Okay.
step right
Oh,
Ooh, scissors!
Cool.
let me see.
They're pretty.
Oh, they're peace signs on it.
Hold these.
Ooh, look, your socks match your robe.
They do.
Cool.
Look, the ones that are on your lap, you're missing them.
There they are.
Do you want to put them on?
Put 'em on?
Let me. I've got the scissors right here.
Please, yeah, open it a little.
Oh, right. I saw those.
Don't dare pull. Just cut.
Pull 'em on this one.
What is it?
Despicable Me 2!
No.
Oh my
I
goodness!
didn't even ask for that, and I wanted that.
Oh, he gave you a surprise.
I wonder what the next movie is. Monsters University. I hope it is, because I asked for that. It's Monsters University.
Oh.
Let me see your face. Look
With
at your
Sully.
face. You're
Oh, that's where
kidding.
Sully's from.
Well, hold Sully and let me have a picture of you in there. Can you hold Sully?
Oh,
It's your
have
fluffer.
you seen it before?
Yeah.
And the movie. Hold the movie.